clear. I am ready whenever. This is the defending freestyle champion and the current world freestyle champion for Trucks Gone Wild, Scott Green and Sam. So at the Trucks Gone Wild World Freestyle Championships that were held right here last October, this was the truck that got it done. He got the belt, he got the money, he got the camera time, the international fame, the Lear jets, the limousines. Woo! Dude, it looked. I don't even think he felt that. He just soaked it right up, dude, because it looked good. It looked bad, but good. You know what I mean? You got it, man. Just keep it together. Scotty Green looking good. Hey, come on, Scotty. You know what you got to do. Hey, on a side note, one of our good buddies, Spare Parts Doug, was out here doing freestyle earlier this afternoon, and it is Spare Parts Trey and Muffin's birthday out here this afternoon, so we want to say happy birthday to Trey and to Muffin, both. And Sale flies it up, dude, and he knows he's got that big jump waiting on him, too. Man, we got birthdays, we got people dancing, we got Taylor Swift, we got trucks freestyling, we have Susan Lucci references. It's completely out of hand. Oh! Oh, dude. Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah. Oh, you know. Ah! That's the first time anybody's done it. That's the first time that's ever been done. This direction. I love it. I thought the Iron Horse Mud Ranch sign was going to get checked out. That is cool. That's the kind of stuff that you gotta do. Oh! Dude, hit the water, got the three-wheel motion, cross-running the ditch and the big jump. He's hit everything out there, maybe waiting on the big finish. His track awareness is great. Oh, look at that! Woo! Oh! Unbelievable! The carnage, the way to stop, and a hell of a spot to park. That, unbelievable. Oh, man. You talk about a way to end the freestyle, and that was outstanding. Sky Green's he's got to figure out how to get out of that thing now. Judges, I'll let you deliberate, but that may have been the best ending I've ever seen to a freestyle competition. Dude, good luck. Hey, don't slip, all right? I'd hate to have a run like that, and then he gets hurt falling out of the truck, right? Ladies and gentlemen, let him hear you make got some water on his undercarriage. Judges, come on now, judges. What do we got? 10s and 9s. That's going to do it. I know it. I don't even have to add it up. We'll take it. But that is going to win this deal out here this afternoon. Scott Green in sail. He was the Trucks Gone Wild World Freestyle Champion coming into this event. He still is, and he's the first guy to ever win back-to-back events. That's 3 times, 3 back-to-back events. This guy's like the nature boy, Scott Green. Woo! Dude! Oh, brother, bring it in. Oh, dude, man. What an awesome run. And dude, hey, the cross run over the side of the big jump through the water and back up this side. Awesome. Destroying the sign at the end. Very, very cool, dude. Congratulations, man. You got it out here 3 in a row. That's what you came to do.